Hello, Glam Squad, and happy Halloween, even though this set isn't super Halloweeny, maybe just the color of it a little bit, but, uh, and also today's video is going to be late, and it's going to be like that, because I did not realize this color was acting like yellow does with this camera, and we use a lot of that pretty orange color, so, sorry about that. I tried to do some other things that didn't work out, but this ombre works out so nice. And because I know my glam squad, I went on ahead and showed you both coats of this. The seasons are changing here where I live. I'm sure they've already changed where you live, but I live in the desert. And the season is finally changing to fall. And let me tell you, my nose is crazy right now. And so if I sound a little nasally and my throat is a little weird, you'll forgive me for that. So after I did two ombres, what I'm going to do, we're going to have two ombres on this set. I'm going to do one plaid. And after I finish the set, I wish I'd done two like this because this nail, oh my goodness. After I did the pumpkins using the transfer foil, I'm like, what else could I transfer foil? So get ready for some experiments because I'm gonna experiment. And this is my first one after the pumpkins. I thought, wouldn't it be cool to have a stripe in a plaid that was a transfer foil and not just, like a single color or anything. No, something that in it of itself is a pattern. So I picked that real pretty, shifty, multicolored, dimensional, what's the other, there's another word I'm thinking and I can't come up with it, but it's got its own flavor. So, and the colors are just on the cusp of fall. Like there's some purple in there, but there's also some orange and some green, and that blue is, I just like it. I just think it's pretty, so that's why I used it. Let's be for real. And then I'm getting my stripe here right. We're going to put two stripes of the white. One is going to look like it goes underneath that stripe, and the other one is going to go over the top of the stripe. This set, even though it's not super, filled with colored pictures and, Halloween stuff or whatever, it's not, the most artistic of sets. I think it's so pretty. I just absolutely love it. So anyway, enough about that. We're going to stripe up this nail. I'm going to finish that before we move on to the next step. The next step, my grandson is so awesome. He's almost 3. He'll be 3 in December. And every time he comes over, we'll start a project or whatever we're going to do, regardless of what it is. Like, he loves to help me wash the dishes. And of course, he's no help doing the dishes at all. But he is adorable standing and playing with water while I get the dishes done. And he always starts with, what's the next step? And I'm like, the next step? Oh my goodness, this is the next step. And so I love him so much. He's so great. Anyway, what are your Halloween plans? Let me know in the comment section. My only plan after I get this video uploaded, which again is going to be late, I'm going to pop in the shower real quick and then take my dog for a little walk before the sun goes down. And then I am just going to make myself something for dinner and watch horror all night long. Also, I need to get some stuff done for the channel, so there you go. There's that. I know a lot of the people who watch the nail art videos don't always watch my shorts, but I have been putting tarot card pulls on my shorts, so if that's something you're into, be sure that you hit the bell so that you get notified when I upload. I don't do it every single day, but I try to get close to that as much as I can. Sometimes things get away from you and, so I leave myself some room for grace. But I'm just having fun with it. Years and years and years ago, I had a tarot deck and I had everything pretty much memorized, and I really had a good time playing around with it and doing readings for friends and stuff. But recently, it has just, like, the whole universe is saying, hey, look, tarot cards. So I bought a couple decks and I bought a book, and I've been reacquainting myself with it, and I'm having a wonderful time. I was thinking about maybe doing some lives using the tarot cards, so let me know if you'd be interested in that. As you can see, I did some Frenches, and guys, that almost looks like it is polish with black pieces in there, but it's not. And of course you can tell it's not because it's moving. I don't know what it is about the color yellow or anything similar to yellow that pulls that pixelation into it. I don't know why. When you get to the reveal shots at the end, it isn't like that. So make sure you stay to the end so you can see the reveal shots. It's much better. And then you can see what this color really looks like, which I think is gorgeous. I absolutely love this orange. I think of myself as having one favorite color and two runner-ups. My favorite is purple, and usually tending toward from medium to dark. I'm not really, lavender's not my jam. That was a blue one by mistake. Oops. And so we removed that, and we're moving things around to see where we like them. And once I get it where I think I like it, then I'm just going to do some final adjustments here. And then we're going to pop it in the lamp. Thumb is going to get the same treatment. So purple's my favorite color, but the two runner-ups are orange and gray. So it bums me out that this orange isn't showing true, but you're about to see it. Guys, let me know what you would change about this set, or if you'd wear it as is. Thank you so much for watching. See, much better. That is such a pretty set. I would 100% wear this. But thanks for watching. Happy Halloween. I hope you have as spooky a day as you want. We're going to see you on Saturday for something awesome. And until then, bye.